I'm Sandeep Singh. We are on location today with ParkCityRealEstate.com. I'm the developer here at Fox Hollow Court, one of our first of many luxury projects in Hideout. Welcome in. Our team chose this unique home site because it offers more privacy and seclusion than any other lot in Soaring Hog. We back up to thousands of acres of open space, offering complete privacy for epic entertainment. The floor plan showcases staggering views of Timpanogos, Deer Valley, and the Jordanelle Reservoir.